What's up? My name is Aidowan and today I'm gonna show you how to make a giant slingshot with the help of ironing board. For just under 1 minute and an expense of I think $1 or $2. This is a normal iron board where you can iron some stuff, some clothes, some pants or your tie, I don't know. And for a slingshot you just have to turn it around like this. Okay. Yeah. So as you can see, mine is fixed and it won't fall down. For any slingshot you'll need an elastic band, and I've get mine from car's elastic band. Well, this one used to hold the luggage in the trunks or something, so I just cut the ends and then I tied the two of them together. Now you have to put this elastic band on the board like this. So it looks like this, and our slingshot is ready. It works! Yay! This is how far the ball came, and yeah,